Laser is a form of light, a focused and amplified beam of light which is used for various applications in too many different sectors like defense sectors, medical sectors, manufacturing industries. And in this video we are going to talk about top 3 uses of laser in various sectors. So hello everyone, I am your friend and host Vivek Chaudhary and you are watching SL Engineering YouTube channel. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel. So no further delays, let's dive into this video. So first let's talk about the use of laser in medical sectors. Laser have been used for various medical procedures like dermatology, plastic surgery, permanent hair removal, skin treatment and laser eye surgery. So we start from laser skin treatment. This is the most powerful and effective form of anti-aging laser treatment to remove unwanted brown spot, acne and surgical scars. This service uses laser technology along with a skin cooling device to prevent any damage to your skin. It simulates rapid healing for the outer layer of your skin and penetrates deep into the derms to give you a new collagen naturally for a more youthful appearance. So next time if you found any brown spot or acne on your skin, you can definitely go with the laser skin treatment. Second one is laser hair removal. In this process, a laser emits a light that is absorbed by the pigment melanin in the hair. The light energy is converted to heat which damage the tube-shaped hair follicle which produce hair. This damage inhibits or delay the future hair growth. Although laser hair removal effectively delays the hair growth for long periods, it usually doesn't result in permanent hair removal. Multiple laser hair removal treatments are needed for hair removal and maintenance treatment might be needed as well. Laser hair removal is most effective for people who have light skin and dark hair, but it can be successfully used on all types of skins. Third one is laser eye surgery. In laser eye surgery, a special type of cutting laser is used to precisely change the shape of dome-shaped clear tissue at the front of your eye, which is called cornea, to improve vision. There are 3 types of vision problems which we can solve by laser eye surgery. One is myopia, second is hyperopia, and third is astigmatism. Using a programmed laser, your eye surgeon reshape part of your cornea. With each pulse of laser beam, a tiny amount of corneal tissue is removed. After reshaping the cornea, the surgeon layer laps back into the place. The flap usually heals without stitches. During the laser eye surgery, you will ask to focus on a point of light. Staring at the light help you to keep your eye fixed while the laser reshape your cornea. You may detect a sting odor as the laser remove your corneal tissue. Some people describe smell and odor similar to the burning of hair. These are some very famous applications of laser used in medical sectors. And now we are going to talk about the use of laser in military and defense sector. One of the most famous and powerful laser weapon is direct energy weapon. It is a ranged weapon that damages its target with highly focused energy laser beam. Potential application of this technology include weapons that target personal, missiles, vehicles and optical devices. Direct energy weapon could have several main advantages over conventional weaponry. Direct energy weapon can be used above and below the visible spectrum and does not generate sound. Laser is a light and is for practical purpose unaffected by gravity and wind and is almost perfect flat trajectory. Laser travel at light speed and have long range, make them suitable for use in space warfare. Laser weapon potentially eliminate many logistical problems in terms of ammunition supply as long as there is enough energy to power them. Second one is dazzlers. Dazzlers emit infrared or invisible light against various electronic sensors and visible light against humans when they are meant to cause no long-term damage to eyes. The emitters are usually lasers, making what is termed a laser dazzler. Most of the contemporary system can be carried by a person and operate in either the red or green laser of electromagnetic spectrum. The green laser is chosen for its unique ability to react with the human eyes. Some searchlights are bright enough to cause permanent and temporary blindness, and they were used to dazzle the crew of bombers during World War II. One defense against laser dazzlers are narrow band optical filters tuned to the frequency of the laser. To counter such defense, dazzler can employ emitters, use more than one wavelength or tunable laser with wide range of output. Now come to our number 3 sector in which laser is highly used, and that is manufacturing industries. Laser is widely used to mark and engrave metals, non-metals, plastics, leathers, wood, glass and mostly all type of materials. Laser marking is a bordered category of method to leave marks on an object, which also include color change due to chemical molecular alteration, foaming, melting, ablation and more. This technique does not involve the use of ink, nor does it involve tool bits which contract the engraving surface and wear out. Give it an advantage over alternative engraving or marking techniques where inks and bits have to be replaced regularly. Laser engraving is a process that vaporizes the material into fumes to engrave permanent deep marks. The laser beam acts as a chisel, incised marks by removing layers from the surface of the material. The laser hits localized area with massive level of energy to generate the high heat requirement for vaporization. The most outstanding feature of this process is the ability to engrave 2D codes that keep high readability rate after post-process treatment. Second one is laser welding. Laser beam welding is a welding technique used to join pieces of metals or thermoplastic through the use of laser. The beam provides a concentrated heat source allowing for narrow, deep welds and highly weld rates. The process is frequently used in high volume application using automation as in the automotive industries. Laser welding is one of the most technically advanced form of welding. Laser welding uses a highly concentrated beam of light on a very tiny spot so that the area under the laser beam absorbs the light and become highly energetic. As a powerful laser beam are used, the electrons in that area get excited to a point where the material melts. As the result of the atoms break the bond with each other and then cool down again to form a new bond. That is the process which we call the laser welding. And the last and biggest use of laser is use of laser in cutting applications. 50% of our channel video is based on laser cutting applications. Laser is widely used in industries for any of the cutting application, whether it is used for metal cutting in metal fabrication industries or automobile industries, or cutting of non-metal in any of the non-metal industries, whether it is plastic or leather or any of the non-metal. We can cut any type of material by the help of laser. In laser cutting process, a focused laser beam is used to cut the material through its thickness, and an auxiliary gas is being used to remove the melted material from the cutting sheet. Laser cutting is the biggest application of all the laser industry. So this is the complete video of about top 3 laser application sectors. I hope you will like and share this video. Subscribe our YouTube channel for regular technical updates, and also you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You can get the link in video description box. So thank you friends, we are coming back with another technical videos very shortly. Till then, bye bye, take care, signing off, Vivek Chaudhary.